Hello everyone, welcome back to our Smart Interviews YouTube channel. My name is 𝗏𝗏𝗱𝗆. In today's video, we are going to discuss Codechef Starters 202. Okay, let's start with the first problem.
Yeah, guys, let's start with the first problem, endless play. Okay, the problem statement says Chef's most anticipated game, Empty Night, okay, released on 4th September midnight. Okay, from that he was playing continuously, okay, non-stop, okay, and completely lost track of time. Okay, the current date is X and the current time is H. Okay, past midnight. Now your task is how many hours has Chef been playing? Okay, got it. And the format is 24 hours. Okay, as mentioned, the first line of input contains X and H. X is nothing but current date, H is nothing but current time, and the output single integer is nothing but how many hours Chef has been playing for. Okay, though yeah, the input format 5 comma 10, nothing but how many hours. Okay, X is nothing but current date, H is nothing but number of hours. Okay, on 4th day he played 24 hours, on 5th he played for 10 hours. If you calculate, it will be 34. Okay, so in the same way, let's see the second one. Here we have 4. On release day he played 18 hours, so we got 18. If you see next, 10 comma 2, 10 and 2, X and H. So how many days he has been playing? Nothing can I say. 10 minus 4, nothing but 6. 6 into 24 plus 2. We got 146. Okay, same logic. Okay, let's convert this logic into code. Hey guys, let's convert our logic into code. So in the input format, they are given int X and H, right? So int X and H I'm going to declare. Then I am going to read two numbers, X and H. Okay. Next step, I am going to print. Okay. What we have discussed just now, I'm going to implement the same thing. Current date minus release date. Okay. Into 24. Why? Because we know, right, how many days we have, how many days, okay, Chef has been playing. So because of that, it's into 24 plus remaining hours. Cool. Let's run. Cool. Let's move on to the next problem. Yeah guys, let's start with the second problem. Nothing but two rules. So let's go to the problem statement. Chef is playing board game and is currently at position X. Okay, he is at current X position. To win, he needs to reach 50 position. From X to, he needs to reach 50. Okay. Uh, Chef has a pair of six-sided dice. He has pair of six-sided dice, which will decide how he moves. He will roll the pair of dice, sum up the numbers on them, and then move exactly that many steps forward. For example, he has two dice, right? Pair of dice. He'll roll, right? So he'll get d1 and d2. So from x plus d1 plus d2. Now I need to check. Okay, now our task is to check it is equal to 50 or not. Nothing but he's able to reach 50 or not. If he can reach 50, then print true or else false. That is a false statement. But here the small twist is if it has start from 1 to 6, what we know, right? But here it it starts from y. Okay, it will starts from y. So for example, y plus 1, y plus 2, y plus 3, so on till y plus 5. Okay, so yeah, let's see the input format. In the previous case we don't have t, but here we have t, nothing but number of test cases, right? And we're given two integers x and y. X is nothing but current position of Chef and y is nothing but starting value of the dice, right? What we have discussed just now. Okay, y plus 1, y plus 2. Let's see. Nothing but here, yeah. We are going to print yes or no. Okay, let's see. the example 1. So we got 46 as x and 1 as y. Okay. Now our task, can I reach 50? Okay. Can I reach 50 if y starts from 1? Let's see. 56. I have pair of dice, right? I'll roll. Okay, I'll roll it. So maybe I can get 1 plus 3, 4. What I need? 4, right? Or else I can get 2 plus 2. Yes, I can reach 50. So because of that, I'm going to print yes. Let's see. 36 with 1. 36 with 1. X and Y. Is it possible to reach 50? Let's see. 36. We have 36, right? How much I require to reach 50? Nothing but, can I say 14? Required or required week is 40, right? So dice start from 1. So numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? If I get 6 plus 6, it's 12, right? 12. What we require? 14. It's not possible, right? Because of that, I'll print no. The same way we have 36. If you see the second example, 36 with 2. So let's see. 36 with 2, is that possible? The dice numbers here start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I can get 7 plus 7, 14. Required is 14. So I'll print yes. Everyone clear with the prompt statement? We have pair of dice. I'll roll it. I'll get the two numbers. I'll add it. I'll check. Is it possible to reach 50 or not? Okay. So let's discuss the approach. So I'll be taking the fourth example, 28 with 14. Okay, x we have 28, y we have 14. Nothing but the numbers on the dice will start from 14. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, right? So now, what I'll do? So I'll first check the required number. Nothing but the required number is here. Can I say it's 22? I want number 22. Okay, nothing but I'm going to find a pair whose sum is equal to 22. Okay, our task is to check a pair if it is equal to 22 or not. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll start from 14 with 14, right? What is the minimum number? Nothing but 14, 14 plus 14. The minimum number is 28, right? The minimum number is 28. What is the next number? 29. Next, 30. Nothing but 14 plus 14, 14 plus 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, right? So 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33, right? Now, these are the pairs. Next, what we have? 15, 15 plus 15, 30 already there. Next, 15 plus 16, 13 already there. 32, 33, I'll add 34. Okay. Next, 16 plus 16, 32 already there. 16 plus 17, 33, 34, 35. I'll add 35. Okay. Next, 17 plus 17, 34 is there. 35. I'll add 36. So 18 plus 18, 36 is there. 18 plus 19, 37. So at last number is 19 plus 19, 38. So these are the pairs we can generate from these numbers, right? These numbers. Now, what is the required number here? Required number is 22. Simply what I'll do, I'll check is 22 is lies in this range or not. Okay, 22 number is lies in this range or not. If it is lies in this range, print yes or else no. How to get this range? Can I say y into 2? Y into 2 nothing but 14 into 2, 8 or 28. If it is from, yeah, it's from 28 till how much? Can I say y into 2 plus 10? Yes, including numbers, right? Inclusive, both are inclusive. Yeah, if it is lies in this range, print yes or else no. Clear everyone? Let's convert this logic into code. Cool, let's convert our logic into code here. So here we have test cases. They give two numbers, nothing but x and y. Okay. So what we have discussed, if it is in the range, right? So first, what we required number is so 50 minus, can I say here, x required number. If our required number, okay, if lies in our range, nothing but here we have y into 2, and from where to where, next step, less than equal to, we have y into 2 plus 10, right? If it is in our range, so I'm going to print, I'm going to print yes with new line. Cool. Let's see. Let's wait. Good. Let's move on to the next problem. Yeah, guys, let's discuss the third problem. Buying flowers. Cool. Jeff want to buy n flowers, which will be equal to or greater than 2. Okay. He can either pay 4 coins and receive 2 flowers, 4 coins, 2 flowers, or 5 coins, 3 flowers. Both types of transactions can be repeated as many times as he likes. Okay. Your task is find the minimum number of coins Jeff needs to pay to buy exactly n flowers. We want to find the minimum number of coins to buy n flowers, right? So first line of input contains t, nothing but test cases, and each test case contains one integer n, nothing but number of flowers Jeff wishes to buy. Okay, so let's see the sample input. Here you have t test cases, right? Next we have two. For buying 2 flowers, right? How many coins do you require? You have 4 coins, 3 flowers. Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah, 4 coins, 2 flowers, and 5 coins, 3 flowers, right? So what you'll choose? Obviously, I'll choose 4 coins, right? So because of that, output will be 4. I want the minimum number of coins. I want the minimum number of coins, right? The same way I have 3. I want to buy 3 flowers. So simple, I have two options. Either to go with 4 plus 4, I'll get how many flowers? 4 flowers. Or else I have one more option to pick to buy 3 flowers with the help of 5 coins. So 8 with 5, what is the minimum answer? My bad. Yeah, 8 with 5, what is the minimum answer? 5. Because of that, we are going to print 5. Okay. Now, this is a promise statement. Okay. Let's discuss the approach. For example, assume that I have 15, I want to buy 15 flowers. So what you'll choose? So what I'll choose 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many times? Let's see. 3, 5 coins, I get 3, right? 3 flowers, 3 flowers, 3, 3 and 3, nothing but 15. This is one of the option, right? I can choose in different way, right? With the help of force. But I want the minimum, right? Minimum amount, minimum coins. So first step, what is our task? If 15 mod less 3, if it is equal to 0, okay, if the given number, if it is divisible by 3, okay, if it is equal to 0, then we are going to print. What we are going to print? How to get the answer. So what is the answer here? Nothing but, can I say 5 5 jump 25? How can I get 25? If the given number n flowers, if it is modulus by 3, nothing but if it is divisible by 3, then How can I get 25? Can I say here? Can I say 15 by 3? What is the answer? I'll get 5, 4. I have to buy, okay, I have to use 5 times of 5 coins, right? I have to use 5 times of 5 coins. So I print, simply I'm going to print 5 into 5. Okay, I'll go with one more example. Okay, I'll go with one more example. For example, we have 9, right? I have 9. So what I'll choose? With the help of 5 coins, I will buy 3. Again 5 coins, I will buy 3. Again 5 coins, I will buy 3. So nothing but 9 flowers, right? Or else, what is the other option? I have 5, 3 coins, 4, 2 coins, and maybe once again 5. Here we have 3 coins. So I have 4, 2 coins, right? This is also one option, right? So how much money or coins I'm going to invest to buy 9 coins here, 9 flowers here? Can I say 10 plus 9, 19 here? Can I say 15? So which one is minimum one? 15, right? I want to use minimum one. So the first I will check if it is divisible by 3 or not. If yes, then I'm going to print. What is 9 by 3? Nothing but 3. I'm going to use 3 coins. I'm going to use 3 coins. Which coins? 4 coins or 5 coins? Yes, I'm going to use 3 coins of type 5. Nothing but the answer is 15. Okay, everyone clear? The output is 15. With the help of 15 coins, nothing but 15 amount, I'm going to buy 9 flowers. Okay, if it is divisible by 3, which is fine. Let's see the other way. For example, yeah, same. I'll go with 16 now. So 16, what is the answer for 16? Let's see. So what I'll do, I'll go with 5 plus 5 plus 5, 5 times. So it's going to use 5 coins. We are going to use 5 coins and I'll get 15 flowers. For last one, I'll go with 4. Right, I'll go with 4. So I'll get 2 flowers extra. 2 flowers, right? So 17 required is 16, which is fine. So what is the output here? So can I say 29? 29 is the output. Yes, let's see. Let's see one more option here. So what I'll do, I'm going to buy I'm going to buy 12 flowers. First I'll buy 12 flowers with the help of 5 coins. I have 2 types of coins. First type is 4, second type is 5. I'm going to use second type of coin, nothing but 5, 5, 5. For each 5, I'll get 3 flowers. Right? So flowers I'll get 12. What is the required now? 4. Right? I want to require 4. So what I'll do? I'll use 4 plus 4. Right? I'll get 2 plus 2. 2 flowers, 2 flowers. Nothing but 16 flowers. What is the required? We got it. And what is the amount or coins we invested? Nothing but here we'll get 20. Here we'll get 4. My bad, 8. Nothing but 28. So which is smaller, 28 or 29? We'll get 28 is the minimum number of coins we're going to invest to get, or we're going to buy how many flowers? 16 flowers. Okay, let's see one more example. For example, n equal to 17. So what is the output? Can I say I'll use 5 coins of type 5. We'll get how many coins here? How many flowers? 15 flowers plus 2, right? I'll use 1 type of 4, 4 coin. So nothing but so 25 plus 4, I'll get 29. Yes, 29 is our answer. So if so, what is the difference between 16 and 17? If you got this one, then done with our logic part. Okay. So we have 3 steps here. First step, if it is modulus, nothing but if it is modulus by 3, divisible by 3 or not. Okay, if yes, just print the answer. If not, we do check. Okay, if it's remainder 1, if the remainder is 1, what to do? If remainder is 2, what to do? Okay, so let's see. Let's focus on second one. Already first one is done, right? Second one also done, but we'll see. Okay, once again we'll see. For example, 16 modulus 3. What is the answer? Obviously, I will get 1, right? So 16 by 3. What is the answer? Can I say here? 5. So now, whenever I'll get 1, what I'll do? I'll subtract 15 minus 1. My bad. 5 minus 1. Okay. I'll subtract 5 minus 1. I'll get 4. Right? 4. I'll say 4 into 5. I'll use 4 coins of type 5 plus I'm going to use 2 coins of type 4. Done. Okay. 4 coins of type 5 and 2 coins of type 4. Okay. Why? Okay. Why I'm doing this thing here? Nothing but here I'll get 20. Nothing but I will get 12 floats. Remaining 4 I'll get from type 4 coins. Okay. Okay. Next I have 17. 17 modulus 3. What is the answer? I'll get 2. 17 by 3. What is the answer? 5. Right. If the remainder is 1, if the remainder is 2 here, then simply do. Right. 5. Nothing but 17 by 3. What will get? 5 into 5 plus 1 into 4. I'll use 1 coin. Okay. Clear? So same thing I'm going to convert into code. Let's see. Here I'm going to read n. Then what we have discussed here, if n modulus 3, right? I'll go to places as well. If n modulus 3, if it is equal to 0, I'm going to use just print which value? N by 3, all type 5 coins, right? Next step, if the remainder is 1, right? Then what to do? I'll use type 4, coin type 4, right? So n by 3. How many coins I'm going to use of type 4? Type 5 I'm going to use n by 3 minus 1 plus type 4 I'm going to use 2 coins. Right. And last we have, okay, if it is remainder 2. So I'm going to directly print I'm going to use here only one coin of type 4. Okay, let's see. Cool. Cool. Let's move on. Yeah, guys. Let's see the fourth problem. If only I could read. So in the prompt statement, okay, here they mentioned that what is the definition of median. So what is the definition of median? First sort the array, next find the median, right? So for example, if I have this array, I'll sort it and I'm going to print the median. Here we have 2 and 3. For even length, I'm going to print leftmost, right? But Chef don't know, or Chef missed the fact that the array must be sorted first. So what he'll do, he'll just print 1. Okay, by Chef definition, he is going to print 1, but actual definition, we are going to print 2. Okay, clear? Now, what is our task is uh, like to help Jeff realize his mistake by providing him with an example. Okay, you have an array A of length n, so you're going to find non-empty contiguous subarray of A even length and such that Jeff's definition of median and the true definition of median give the different results when applied to this subarray. Simple, we are going to find a subarray, okay, subarray, and we apply the solution, median solution. We are going to apply two solutions, Jeff's definition median and true definition median. If both get different result, then we're going to tell that, hey Jeff, your answer is wrong. You can check this subarray, right? So if it is not possible, print -1. If it is possible, we're going to print the index values. Let's see. I think everyone know what is the meaning of subarray. If we take this 14335, this is the subarrays, but this one is not. Okay. So yeah, if you see the output format, if it is not possible, we are going to print -1. If it is possible, we're going to print left and right. What is the meaning of left and right here? Starting index and end index, and the range should be even. Okay. So let's see one example. So here we have 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, this is an array. We can take any value. We can take a subarray, right? We can take whole array, right? Here, yeah. One more condition here. There are multiple solutions. You can print any of them. Okay. So here we have 2, 3, 1, 2. So let's see. If first I will go with the chef definition, he going to directly print 3. Right. What about true definition? If I'm going with the true definition, first I will sort the array, nothing but 1, 2, and 2, 3, and I'm going to print 2. Yes, I can say this is my array, so I'll print 1 and 4. Why 1 and 4? Assume that it is a one base index and have the index value 1 to 4. That's it. Okay. This is one of the output. Can I have different result here, different output here for the same array? Let's see the subarray. Yeah. I'll take the subarray 3, comma 1. I'll take the subarray 3, comma 1. So what is the chief definition output? Nothing but I'm going to print 3. What is the actual output? I'll sort the array, nothing but 1, comma 3, and I'm going to print 1. So can I say the index value is 2 and 3? Right? I can print 2, comma 3 as well. Right? There are multiple answers. You can print any of them. I hope everyone clear with the problem statement. Let's see how can we solve. I'll take the same example. Fourth example. Yeah, 5, 4, 5, 4, and 5. Okay. So if I take this subarray or array, okay, chef definition, we'll get the answer as 5. What is the true definition? So I'll sort it 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Right? I'll get 5. So should I print -1? No. I'll check the different part, right? I'll check the different part. For example, I'll take this subarray 5, comma 4. Chef definition will get 5, but what is the true definition answer? I'll sort it 5, comma 4. I'll print 4. Yeah, I have a subarray, okay, which will result, which have two different results, right? So I can say, hey chef, you can work on this subarray, right? You're getting the wrong answer. So I'll just print or I will return. So 3, comma 4. Okay. So do you observe anything here? I want even length, not the odd length. First I will find the even length, right? So by seeing this example, do I require to check 4 length, 6 length, 8 length? Do I require it? Can I find a 2 length subarray? Let's see. Let's see. So basically, what I'll do, I'll check. Okay, I'll check this subarray, which is fine. I'll check this subarray. This is fine or not? No, right? Simple. this also give the same result, right? I'll just check the two elements in decreasing order. If it is decreasing order, just print the index value. For 3, 4 is one answer, 1, 2 is one answer. Okay. For example, I'll give one more example. Yeah, you can take 2, 3, 8, 1. So by seeing this, we can see the subarray 8, 1 is wrong, right? So 8, 1 by Jeff definition, I'll get 8 output. If I sort the array, and I'll get, so 2 definition will get 1. So you can see, right, to check that your definition, by your definition we are getting 8, by actual definition we are getting 1. So you can check the subarray from where to where. 3 to 4. You can return 3 to 4. So simple. In array, just check the elements are continuous or not. Okay, it is continuous, nothing but it increasing or not. Increasing, fine. Increasing, fine. If it is decreasing, that means this is our answer. Okay. If you want, I can give one more example. 10, 30, 30, 9, 8, 3. Okay. So let's move here. So I can say, right, I can say that this is my answer, this is my answer, and this is my answer. You can print any one of them. Okay, cool. Let's convert this logic into code. Okay, cool. Yeah, guys, let's convert our logic into code here. So first we have test cases. I'm going to iterate on test cases. Then we have n size of the array. Then we have an array of size n, right? Here I need to print two index values. Either I'm going to print -1, okay, as mentioned here. So what I'll do, I'll take an array and I will pass to a function. For example, function name is find. Okay, so I'm going to pass array comma n. Okay, function type is array. Let's see. So here, yeah, fine. Here we have array and here we have n. Okay, next step, I am going to declare a vector v. So I am going to iterate. I will check is current value is bigger than next element, right? If it is true, I am going to push in my vector. Which element? I place one element because here they mention it is one based index, right? Because of that. So only one element, no, right? I want to have 1 along with 4. So cool. Yeah. After that, see, after having two numbers, just you can break the condition. It's suppose you can break it, right? Because we have the element, we got the number. Why to iterate? We can remove, we can optimize the number of iterations here. So at last I'm going to return v, but there is a small error in our code. I'm checking array of I with array of I plus 1. What about the last number? Right? It should not be out of bound. So handle here with n minus 1. So cool, everything fine here. So yeah, now tell me if v dot size, if it is equal to 0, I'm going to print -1. Else what? I'm going to print first number, yeah, with second, that's it. Cool, here, yeah, before that I'll check, okay, everything is fine, yeah, right. Cool, I'll run the code. Cool, you can see here I got 2 comma 3. Okay, but here it's not matching. But in the prompt statement, there are multiple possible solutions. We can print any of them. Cool. Got it? Yep.
Yeah guys, thank you everyone. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it. To enjoy more content like this, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much once again, and see you in the next video.